Alright, so when I went to look at the fire alarm today, I could still hear it buzzing. That's not a good sign. That means that the fire alarm is not working. So generally they're supposed to be silent and not make any buzzing noises. If they buzz, they must be replaced. Because, a buzzing fire alarm could eventually short out, blow a fuse, or trip a breaker. That's because if a bad fire alarm tends to buzz, it will not work very well, and so yeah. That's one thing that I was saying, that fire alarms are usually pretty silent, but if they detect fire, they'll go off. So anyways, hope everyone enjoys the video. Take care of your equipment and make sure you have the fire alarms maintained, and a buzzing noise coming from it is actually a bad sign, because that means the fire alarm doesn't work very well. And by the way, that's one thing that I don't recommend to have going on. So anyways, enjoy, and you can find more videos on this channel by subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned.